Hi, I'm David Owochu Igege, a UI and UX designer focused on web and mobile design. In this walkthrough, I will show my end-to-end process using an onboarding and preference flow for products. I will start by interpreting the PLD, then map IA and flow, create low fidelity wireframe, and then move to high fidelity with a small design system, prototype, and finish with developer handoff. So I start here. First of all, this is my case study that I have created for some months now, and this is how I started. The name of the case study is called Ladipo.engine. So why do I have to do this? In the market of Ladipo.engine, I discovered that is a large market in Nigeria here, and then there is no official website, either mobile app, that all of them can use. Rather, individual or vendor there, they have their own website. So I come up with idea. I say, okay, what are problems these people are facing? Because if you are a car owner and your car has an issue, either you have a problem with your car, you cannot be able to communicate with any engineer or vendor, except you have to take your car. Either you have to go to the Ladipo itself to find out what is the problem, either to order whatever you want to order, right? So now I went on research to know what those people are facing. So after doing some research, I now document on PLD. Look at the PLD here. This is it. You can see overview of Ladipo.ng is an app and web application that provides a comprehensive platform for automobile. It will serve as a one-stop solution for all things related to automobile, including buying and selling, maintaining, and also customizing vehicle, right? So now this is where the idea comes in. When the idea came, I decided to document it, and this is a PLD, which is on product requirement document, right? Product requirement document. So here I have a design process. Number one, before I identify everything, this is what the problem is. Identification of problem, right? When I identify the problem, I move straight to define, and I define the problem. So who are those? What are the problem, and then who are this problem for? Why the problem, right? And then how do I solve the problem? So I now move straight to ideate. This is where the idea comes in, where how the user interface will look like, how the user flow will be, either how the design system or the screen and everything will be. So from here I moved to prototype. After creating some design, I went to prototype it and give it to users to test if this is actually will solve their problem, right? From here I move to testing. Remember, I mentioned earlier, after prototype, I give it to user to test. So I move to testing. After testing, I gather some feedback and then add it to my PLD. I amend it based on the user, the feedback I got from the users, right? So after designing everything, I hand over to developer for building. So here now, before I hand over for building, for developer, after I explain everything, how the flow and also the interface will look like for them, I did not went back and see that. I stick with them by giving them an instruction. After they design the first and second page, they give it to me, I test it, and I discovered that some of the interface and the flow and also the navigation are not properly, so they adjust everything based on my expectation, so before they move ahead. So this is the PRD, like I said earlier, and this is the purpose of the case study: showcase and also buy and sell new or used cars, allow customer to schedule maintenance and also repair, provide detail, space, future and also pricing of vehicle, easy and also secure transaction including finance options, customer support, automotive parts and also accessories sales, highlight special duty discount. So this is the PRD that I have based on my experience and also based on the idea that came to me. So from there I have a chart flow, which is the design flow. The design flows. Here I start from the onboarding screen. It will start from body screen here. From the onboarding screen, we move to login. From the login, I move to register. From the register, we move to home screen, down to the last part, which is order and also track. Now I have my design system here. This is my design system. Here I have a primary color which is white and black, 70%, and I have a secondary color which is, we have a green here 20%, we have a yellow 10%, and then we have a font style, and Poppins is my font style, and then font size, we have heading 20%, body 12, 14 and also 16, and then subhead we have 15 here, and then I move to row grid. I have my grid here, grid row. I have a count auto for height 50 and then gutter 20. Grid columns, I have count here 12 and then the margin 50 and then a gutter 20. Then I have my alignment here, left and then right 50, and then header and then footer 30. For here I have my padding, left and right, up and down 20. I have my margin, we have 10, 20, 30 and also 50. And I have my resources, the image, I got my image from them on Splash, Pixabay, and then my icon, I got it from Remix, icon, Iconify and also Icon 8. And then radius corner, I have here 5 action button, and then 10 for images and 12 for header and also footer. From there I move to wireframe. This is my login section here for the wireframe. This is the login, and then this is the sign up on page. Here I have a home screen here. This is my home screen. Look at how it look like. And then this is the vehicle option. Here you can search for vehicle. You also filter whatever, filter for your preferences. We have also home page here for products. This is me. I have a main home page here, and also this one is also a home page for any preference you want to, maybe like, and I want a truck, either I want a motorcycle, either I want what is that called, a Kekena Pepe. So I segment everything for each page, right? So also home page here, and I have my product category here. You can search for everything. Look at how it look like. Look at the layout. This is it. This is it. Look at it. Here I have my research results. whenever users research here, and then you can find the results by this site. And then we have a car page here, all the cars appear here. And then we have auto bikes here for the motorcycle. We have a parts landing page. This is where all the spare parts, either both new and then old, will be here. And then we have a drop down. This is how the drop down look like. Whenever you hover and over on this what is that called, on these parts, you can see the under the part we have a sub menu here, wheel and then tires. We have the body and body parts and etc. From here we have a tricycle. So this is the page for tricycle, and then also here a tricycle drop down. When you hover and over the tricycle, this is what you will see on the sub menu. And here we have also tricycle parts. When you hover and on it, this is how we see it. Now let's move to the high fidelity. The high fidelity, which is the main design. See what we have on the login section on the wireframe. This is how it look like. This is it. If you take a look at it very well, here I have an image. Here, and then look at the image here. That is what I implement, the image at the background, and this is how it look like. This is the sign up form, and then here I have my sign up to, and then I also have my sign up to. Now for this place, you will choose your name, your password, and then your phone number, and then you select your preference. If you are maybe this place is a close of the option, and then this is the open section of it. Here you ask a name, you put your name here, and they'll say enter your answer. That is just for security reason. And then we have a reset password, and then reset password 2, reset password 3, and forgot password. So this is how it will look like. And this is my main home page, and then this is the vehicle option and cars option, and then we have boxes and then VIN. This is how it look like, trucks and then trailer, and look at it. This is how the design look like, and exactly what we saw on the wireframe. This is how it look like, and this is the what is that called, the layout. The layout does not change. Everything stands still. Everything stands still. Look at the seller option. This is their sign up page. Page. So for the seller option, they have their own different what is that called, dashboard, and also a buyer have their different dashboard. So here we have a customer service support. So this is how it look like: dashboard, products, then order, sales, and then reports. That is for seller. We have the dashboard here, the same thing here. It will track everything, that all the sales you have already made, the popular possession order. You can see how rated it is. So the same thing here, the same thing this place. So we have a sign up form for them, and then also the seller, you can upload your products here, the images, upload as many as you can, and then everything here. You can cancel your products, you can change or continue to sell. Then this is a product review. Whenever you anybody add to cart and then add the products, you can view the large image here. You can also cancel here, and then this place is, it can change the image to see the products clearly. This is confirming and also sell detail. Here we have your address, delivery dates, and then delivery time, phone number, email, emergency phone number, email, and everything. You submit. By then, with that form that I just show you guys now that particular place, whenever there is any problem, the seller can actually contact the buyer immediately. So here we have a customer service support. This is the live chat. You can chat on the product you want. Maybe okay, I like this product. You can chat any of the vendor for this place. Look at how it is. Look at it. Look at it. So now let me show you guys the mobile version, because it's my mobile and also website. Because I discovered that there is no website, I mean there's no mobile app for this particular market that we are using. So I decided to come up with website and also mobile, so that to make life easy, and then because it is the solution I'm trying to solve, right? I'm providing solution, so I need to make everything easy and also plain for them, that will make them happy. So this is the mobile app I'm opening now. So this is the mobile app here. You can see, look at the onboarding screen of the mobile app, buy or sell. The reason why the website does not have a mobile, I mean the onboarding screen, is because now whenever you give your website address to anybody, it doesn't have to pass through this particular place onboarding screen before the person will get to the home page. The first thing the person will see is your landing page, which is the home page. Then from there, when the person wants to sign up, that is where the body screen will come in. Some websites have body screen and some websites does not have. So that is why that one starts from login page. So now we have a onboarding screen here. You can see this is the sign up, or I mean login page, and this is the sign up form here page here, and home page where the products and the vehicle, products, cards, billing, and then payment summary, purchases, payments or payment methods, payment successful, order successful, truck, main track order, track history, wish list, and profile, edit profile, upload profile photo, forget password, verification email, create new password, etc. So now this is the implementation of the website, I mean the mobile app. Look at the body screen here, look at it, and look at the design here. This is exactly what we have up on the wireframe. So this is it, look at it, look at the design interface. This is payment methods. So we have payment method here, and then payment successful, order fail, order track, order history, wait lists, profile edits. So this is the interface, and also this is the design, the full design of everything.